when you are installing Windows 7, then you want to repair your Windows, then you insert the CD installation. uh, it shows setup is starting for a long time, so maybe the hard disk has some bad sector. So the solution is we try it. uh, Click shift and F10. Shift, shift, and F10 together. Then the command prompt will show up. Then we type CHK DSK we wait it for a long time, for sometimes. Drive, drive D is the location of Windows folder. The solution is you have to put the hard disk of the laptop, then you take it to the another PC, you format it in the PC, and you then you can install fresh new install for Windows.